Hi. Today we will learn how to create a glitch text animation in Photoshop. So let's get started. First we will create an artboard of 1280 by 720 pixels. And choose the background content black for background. And hit the Create button. Now unlock the layer and rename it as background. Hold Alt and drag the background layer to upper side. Go to Filter, Noise, and click on Add Noise. Keep the amount on 200% and distribution on uniform. And hit OK. After creating noise, go to Filter, Blur, and choose Motion Blur. Here keep angle on 0, distance 20 and click on OK. Now here select Hard Light from this drop menu. Rename the layer to Static. Select the Type tool and write Glitch. You can write your own text. Apply any good type of font. As I will choose this Barlow condensed font. It is default font in Illustrator. Increase some spacing. Adjust the text by pressing Ctrl+T as required. And click on checkmark. Now rename the first layer to Frame 1. Hold Alt key and drag the layer to make a duplicate. Hide the Frame 1 layer and rename second layer to Frame 2. Click Option button on Frame 2 and select Rasterize Type. Now select the rectangular marquee tool. Convert the text into slices by holding Ctrl+Shift and left and right arrow keys. Hold Alt key and drag the Frame 2 layer downward to make a duplicate below the Frame 2. Rename new layer to Red. Hold Ctrl key, and click on white box of red layer. Now it made a selection. Select Move tool. Hold Shift and press the right arrow key. Press Shift plus Backspace until a fill window pops up. Here select the color from Contents. And select red color. And press OK. Decrease the opacity to around 85%. Go to Filter, Blur, and Motion Blur. Here keep the distance on 25 pixels and hit OK. Repeat the process for both blue and green layers. after making blue, green and red layer by following the first process. Hold Shift and select 4 layers and press Ctrl+G to make a group. And rename it to Frame 2. Now go to Window and select the timeline. Click on Create Video Timeline. Click on 3 boxes to convert video timeline into frames. Click the arrow and select the time to 1 second. Make the frame 1 visible. And hide the frame 2. Make a new frame by clicking the plus sign box. Make visible frame 2 and hide the frame 1. Keep the time on 0.1 second. Click on Tween button. Keep the frames to add on 1 and hit the OK. Play animation to check the result. Here we need to keep the time on 0.1 seconds. And preview again. Now it's perfect. Hold Shift and select all frames. And drag them towards right to make duplicates. It will extend the duration of animation. After you have done with the animation, go to File, Export, and click on Render Video. Assign any desired name. Set the location, and hit the render button. Download any glitch sound effect from mixkit.com and synchronize with the animation. If you like this Photoshop animation tutorial, make sure to like the video.